Okay, next one up is this KTM 500 EXC. This is a new client who has just recently purchased this. Saw one of my videos on YouTube of a EXC I did a few weeks back. So he brought it to me to see if I could do a bit of trot TLC on it. It looks like it's been sitting outside a bit. Lots of rusty bits and pieces. So we're going to work some trot magic on it, see if we can do something with all this rust. Get that exhaust all minted up. More than anything, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. See all that corrosion there? Dry as could be. So I've got the belly pan off. I'm going to get that all cleaned up as well. Going to give it a bit of a wash, Snowfoam safe wash, just to remove all this mud and contaminants. And then we'll get cracking with some detailing. Just needs that little bit of TLC, all these rusty nuts and bolts. When you've got a few rusty screws, your eyes go straight to those and it really makes the bike look bad. So we've got our work cut out for us with this one. Wish me luck.
The beat getting beat up, I'm violent. I'm smooth like I'm C on the violin. I try, if I fail, I'ma try again. No denying it.
There you go, 2 and a bit hours later, this KTM 500 EXC has been trotted and looking so much better. Oh, this is at a full Monty Valet, Snowfoam safe wash, loosened up all the old grime and shit that was on there previously. All these spokes have all been painted, they were all red rusty. All your nuts and bolts on the motor, all your fixings, your head races, everything has been touched up. This was covered in rust. All these spokes at the front have been painted. Polished up that exhaust like new. Belly pan's been off. I sanded it and polished the belly pan. Everything's had XCP corrosion protection. And it's a dirt bike. Wanted to make sure it stays looking its best. All that old chain lube had been degreased, blow dried, re-lubed. All your spindles. Little gear shifter there has been mirror polished. Side stand's been sanded, mirror polished, painted the foot pegs. God, what haven't I done on this? There's only so much you can do with a dirt bike, but it's looking 100% better. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week, satisfaction guaranteed. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.
The pain gon' make you unstoppable. Now audible, feel like I live in the end zone. I'm the one leading the drives, the crew riding round in a benzo. Red carpets when we arrive, I'll be in charge of my own fate. Left the excuses behind, now I'm the illest violinist alive. I took the pain and I thrive, but look at me now. I used to crash on the couch, now I got cash in the bank. Look at me now, she didn't want me around, now she begging me to stay. Look at me now, nobody knew who I was, now everyone's screaming my name. Look at me now, I couldn't look at myself, now I see the mirror and say, look at